Hello, and today we're gonna draw another duck. This time, it's gonna be a king duck. Making a crown. After that, making a gem in it. I will prefer to use the red color. Anyway, yellow color. After that, we're beginning to making a line underneath it. Like that. After making another line, and after that making a half circle, another half circle, half a square or rectangle, I have no idea what's that already. After that making another line on the top there between those half circles, and we have a shape of a bread. After that filling by that color of that place. After that filling the brown. Yeah, there. And now just drawing somewhere at the back of that bread. Yeah. So yeah, we got a fire. Somehow. Yes. Prefer to use 3 different colors like red, orange, and yellow, which will go between. And voila, you got a duck king on a bread. Successful drawing, finally something good. Whatever, subscribe and like this video.